Alright, what's going on everybody? It's your boy George, aka Agent 86, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install quick support on your device. So I'm going to be doing this on my phone. However, this is going to work the same if you are using an Android box or an Amazon Fire Stick. If you're using an Amazon Fire Stick, what you're going to do is go to the downloader application, and if you are on a box like the Asset, which you've gotten from me, you simply go to Google Chrome. Once you go to Google Chrome, you're going to go to avengerelectronics.com, right? And once you get to avengerelectronics.com, you're going to see either like this, and you'll see in the top left corner you'll have three lines, which will give you this menu. Or if you're searching on a desktop or looking at the desktop view, you'll see it something like this, in which case all you have to do is click install, right? Once you click install, it's going to take you to the install page. So there's a lot of stuff here. The one that is going to interest us right now is this one that says remote support, which will bring us into this folder. Then we'll click Android, and here we go. Here is a link to the APK as well as the add-on. So the add-on is very important, especially for these Android units. Without this, I'm not going to be able to remote control the unit. So we need to download both. I'm going to download this TeamViewer APK, and I'm going to download the quick support add-on. All right, and I'm going to open them and install. There we go. And TeamViewer APK, there we go, install, and done. And that's pretty much it. From there, you should now have it on your unit. And I'm just going to go through my apps here, and we see that we have TeamViewer, and everything is ready to go. So that's pretty much it. That's how you get TeamViewer and the TeamViewer add-on on your Android device. This is strictly for Android, such as units like the Asset S912, the NVIDIA Shield, or the Amazon Fire Stick. Now, keep in mind, if you are doing this on an Amazon Fire Stick, you're still not going to be able to remote control the device. That's not supported for that device. You will be able to connect to the device, do some file transfers and stuff like that, but you won't have the benefit of the full remote control. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. Definitely appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, please make sure that you comment down below. I really do appreciate you tuning in. And as always, have a great day.